Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to calculate the mean absolute deviation and the variance and the standard deviation. Alright, first we're going to talk about the mean absolute deviation. So we have three steps right here. Alright, example number 13. The number of lesson objectives completed by 6 students taking a self-based online class are listed below. 16, 31, 21, 37, 24, and 26. What is the mean absolute deviation of these listed numbers? Alright, so we just follow the step here. Step 1, step 2, step 3, now step 1. Alright, so basically you need to calculate the mean of these. Right, so it's going to be 16 plus 31 plus 21 plus 37 plus 24 plus 26. And then you need to divide by how many numbers there. So it can be 2, 4, 6. So it's going to be 6. And divide by 6. Alright, the answer roughly 25.8. Alright, step 2. Absolute value of 16 subtract 25.8 plus absolute value of 31 subtract 25.8, and then the last one 26 subtract 25.8. Alright, so the answer for the first one should be 9.8. The second one should be 5.2. The next one should be 4.8. The next one should be 11.2. The next one should be 1.8. The next one should be 0.2. Alright, so if you add this guy up, it should be 33. Now step 3. Alright, you take 33 right here, you divide by 6. So the answer should be 5.5. This is the answer. We have the second method to solve mean absolute deviation using a calculator. So bring up a calculator, you're going to hit start, add it. Alright, for the first column right here, you just input the value 16, 31, 21. So hit 16, 31, 21, 37, 24, and 26. Alright, so you go to L2 right here, you highlight the column L2 right here. And then you're gonna hit second 0, absolute right here. Hit enter. Alright, absolute value. Alright, so you need to hit second 1, because you need to calculate the absolute value of first column. Subtract, hit second, start, go to mark, mean right here, number 3. Right, and then second 1 again, close parenthesis, and then you need to hit enter. So this is absolute deviation. This column is absolute deviation. Now we need to find the mean of this column. So we just hit second mode to quit this table. Alright, you hit second, start again. Go to mark right here, hit mean number 3 right here. Alright, now you need to find the mean of the second column. So it could be second 2. And then close parenthesis, hit enter. The answer is 5.5. Alright, calculate variance and standard deviation. We have 4 steps right here. Alright, find the mean of the given observation. Right, so we have step number 1. Alright, we already calculated right here. Right, so the answer should be 25.8. We don't need to waste time. Now, step number 2. We're gonna take each of these values right here. We subtract the mean right here, and we square. Alright, 16 minus 25.8 square plus 31 minus 25.8 square, etc. Until the last one, it should be 26 minus 25.8 square. 9.8 square plus 5.2 square plus 4.8 square plus 11.2 square plus 1.8 square plus 0.2 square. 9.8 square plus 5.2 square plus 4.8 square plus 11.2 square plus 1.8 square plus 0.2 square equal 274.84. Alright, now step number 3. We need to calculate the average of this one. So check this one divided by 6. 274.84 divided by 6. Alright. Divide by 6. It's going to be roughly 45.8. Alright, now last one. Step number 4. You need to take square root of this one. Alright, take square root of 45.8. It's roughly square root of, insert right here, equal 6.8. Roughly 6.8. And this is the answer. This is standard deviation. Now note that this is the variance. So we use the sigma square to represent the variance. The variance equal 45.8. Now if we take square root of sigma square right here, it turns out to be sigma. Sigma equals 6.8, and this equals standard deviation. Alright. Now let's use the calculator to check our work. Now we can use a calculator to complete this problem. Alright, so you just hit start, add it, you just input the value right here. L1, it can be 16 all the way to 26, it's right here. So we got it right here. Alright, so you need to hit start. Go to count. Alright, now you need to hit the first one right here. Và start right here, the first one. Hit enter. Alright, so you have L1, frequency list, calculate, you hit calculate. And then the standard deviation, it should be 6.76, so it's roughly 6.8 right here. And it's a good time to start. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand